Living on a cigarette store. Back then we could not afford more, yeah. Didn't have a working front door. Strangers smoking on the front, yeah. Spent nights in Royce, never ending winters, sleeping with noise, yeah. I'm here with you. Where we go, I'm here with you. Where we go, I'm here with you.
ありがとうございます。
Thank